So today we're going to make some gingerbread house. Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play.
Are you sure we're making gingerbread?
Of course. Of course. We're making gingerbread.
I'm totally not dressed for this.
Do you think Mommy's gonna make it really nice?
Yeah, I want to make it with her. Make it with her. So I'm going to... Chill it out, John.
Cream of tartar of Best Buy 2011.
I know.
Stiffen.
Don't splat me.
Don't splatter ya.
Yeah. Take pills, bro.
It may splatter ya.
Those were Daddy's pills.
This takes an incredible amount of whisking.
Would you like some help with it?
Yeah.
I think so.
I think so. Oh, let me try.
Can you please put this stuff in?
That's too. You don't have a whisk. It's a knife.
That's a spreading knife. Yeah. It's getting it good.
Knife.
Oh, that looks good. We're gonna have some gingerbread men.
With
I've
some
never had any like that.
No? I'm not sure if the cookies are actually ginger. They might actually be like regular cookies.
No, I'm helping Mommy. I'm like mechanical whisk.
Yes, you are. We bought all of the ingredients from the Russian store. These are Russian cookies. Yummy. They're hard. That's why I got them. I hope they're ginger, but they probably aren't. They're probably just like milk cookies. Looking good. That's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to melt right back into it. How easy was that?
Daddy.
This is the glue that we're going to glue our house pieces together with.
Yeah. What glue? Oh, that is...
Are you excited about that?
Yeah. So,
Are you excited about that?
How glue is made?
No.
Are you excited? Is it exciting to you, Rafael?
Yeah. I wanted to whisk it too.
Okay, so what we have here is our garden, okay?
Yeah.
And we're going to build our house inside of our garden.
Yeah.
See all the flowers?
Yeah. That's a garden. So let's do the house in the middle.
What are we doing, Abigail?
Mine is going to be this big. This big. And on the sides too. The sides and the front and the back are that
Oh,
big.
that's good.
Karova.
This smells so good. This is your stack.
All right.
Are you gonna build something with that?
Yep. A house. Yep.
And this is your stack.
I'm going to build a house with it.
Hold on. You gotta build a house, okay? So here's the wall.
First of all,
You're gonna have to do this with her.
Yes, I am.
with some glue.
Okay. I'm gonna
She's
show you how to
growing
do it.
impatient. There's more.
There's more. Okay, we're gonna take this and join.
Oh, that smells so good.
Let's see, another wall. Wait, am I doing that right?
That's the roof.
It's dropping.
Is this is this the roof?
Yeah, it's shaped like a triangle.
All right, it's melting on your face.
Smoking, Daddy.
It's okay. Mommy knows what she's doing.
Not really. I've never done this before. However, this is pretty, isn't it?
But first
That's how
plate.
you even do that?
Smoking.
Okay, this is the roof. You know what? Maybe we should just decorate some gingerbread man cookies.
Is it not joining?
I think it's gonna take all year.
It's Build it.
Daddy figured out a design
Build a design. Ew.
that would not fall over.
You love beautiful designs? Alright, that's not for eating. What's the name of them kids? Hansel and Gretel?
Hansel and Gretel. That always gets me so excited for Christmas. Hansel and Gretel.
Got this.
It's got snow on the roof.
I need glue for this.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah. Because I want the drippy snow. And you have to put decorations on it, so.
I want to lick the spoon, please.
No, you don't.
Why not?
The best part is when it's done and you can eat the house. But you have to wait for it to dry. We're going to put what? What do you want to put on this house?
Lots of sprinkles. I want to put all the sprinkles there. Yeah, me too.
Here, Mommy's going to make this house to show you how to do it, okay? And just sprinkle it on top.
Oh, let me try. I already know that.
Roll it a little bit.
Try. Let me try now.
And then look, I'm going to take this star and put one star right there because it's like a little house in the nighttime.
My turn. My turn. Let's both do it. Wow.
I'm going to put some Christmas lights.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Me too, Daddy.
Oh, okay, how about I make the houses
And you can decorate
and then
them.
you can decorate them. Yeah, okay. That sounds like a good idea. You're
All right.
sitting in the garden. That reminds me of when we went at Girl Scout time to make gingerbread cookies with the elderly at an old folks home, and it was really fun, but most of the people there were hiding all of the cookies in their pockets
Why?
and all of the candy for later.
Here you go, Mommy. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put that right there for now. We're gonna make this house and then you're gonna decorate it.
Yeah. Decorate this cookie. My mouth is just about to water for this house.
Yeah.
My teeth is water my house.
Your teeth is water your house?
Yeah.
Wow.
My mouth is just about to water for this house. Drop it. Dropping, Mommy.
Yeah, it is. This is snow on a rooftop.
Let's try it.
Rafael,
Yeah.
leave some for the other house too, okay?
Yeah.
So we can all have houses.
Make it.
Mommy's making it, isn't she?
Make it too.
Yeah, you're gonna decorate it.
We don't touch the house. We just put the sprinkles and the decorations on it, okay?
I can't decorate it.
You can decorate it.
Load it.
Decorate it.
You just made one of my sprinkles fall.
Okay, time to decorate. Let me see this. Let me see it. Thank you.
No
You remember he used to say me see?
Yeah, let me see.
Sprinkles.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Wow, you had a landslide.
Chill? We can chill.
Oh, yeah, we can share. Oh, that's pretty. You have like colored bushes.
Couple sheets. Two. You.
Do you want to put it up here on the roof? Sprinkle it on the roof?
Yeah. Make it on roof time. Yeah. I got it. Ew. Put some sprinkles. Make Halloween timing.
This is for Christmas.
And Santa's going to eat some too. when we make it possibly again, we need to make it 2 times. For this time it's for us, and the second time it's for Santa.
Yeah, you're gonna eat those.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. Yeah, we can make that all for later. All for later, Mommy. I'm gonna make lots of gingerbread houses. Lots of lights. Oh, some later. Okay, let me take all the colors that I have here, but not all of the sprinkles. Purple, red, orange, red, yellow, and green. That's all the colors that are here. Except for blue I got. Alright, that's all the colors that are here in this bowl. The last 4 are for you, Abigail.
They're snowed in.
Wow. That looks on the front like a truck because of the snow.
Yeah. Okay.
Has some. I'm making a mess on my house. Wow. Let me put some in my house inside. Inside it? Yeah, let's put some inside my house for decorations. Little bit tiny, Daddy, tiny house. They're making celebrations.
Celebrations?
Yeah. And decorations. And decorations and Christmas.
Celebrations, decorations,
My house. My house.
affiliations.
My house. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. Well, that's fine. We'll make it together. One up. Tiny.
Gonna make it together.
Yeah. Have you cookies? Stars. Time.
I got stars and moons. And M&M's. Sprinkles.
Wow! I got my Christmas thing.
It's so pretty.
My hand.
Are you all done?
Two. Yeah. The sprinkles. It's all done.
I think he has a house full of candy.
Awesome.
Yeah.
My house.
Is your house full of candy?
Yeah.
Okay, you have 2 more houses to decorate, so.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll work on that one.
Yeah.
Work on your second one. You each got 2 of them instead of 1 big one.
You're a good mommy. I said that to Daddy.
Thank you.
I said that Daddy's a good daddy, and Daddy told me to say that to you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Actually,
Chocolate
before
milk.
I said that, I still loved you.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Then, I done with my sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
And show. I'm doing cookies.
Good evening. So your cookies, your gingerbread house cookies.
Are glued together. Glued together.
Okay, let's look. Let's see. This is Raphael's.
This is mine.
Hold on. This is Raphael's. Ooh. This is Raphael's. Notice the clever use of stars and sprinkles. And lots of white snow. And this is Raphael's.
I see you.
Abigail, I haven't shown your thing yet.
Hold on, Abigail.
Hold on. Okay, this is Raphael's, and he has...
Hold on.
I have 2.
Just hold on a minute.
Hold on a minute. He has an avalanche of Christmas lights. and snow and the rooftop. Oh, and stars in his pocket. Lots of candy on the inside.
You love it? Is it good for you?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what Abigail's got.
This is Abigail's. Very minimalistic on one side.
Creamy.
Yummy. Look how yummy. Ooh, yummy. Oh, I think somebody's been into this. Somebody's already been into. Did you eat this, Abigail?
Yeah.
You ate it? You ate that? Okay. And then here is Abigail's colorful one.
This is my candy.
That's your candy. Yep. And you got some Christmas lights on top and on the inside. Ooh, it's snowing in there. Oh yeah. Okay. Have at it. Let the eating commence. Oh, you're faking?
No, he's
I
eating.
was eating the purple gummy.
Secret.
I was eating this.
All right, go ahead and eat. Have fun.
The devil ones. Am I supposed to take it apart?
Yeah.
You're supposed to eat it however you want to.
Yeah. You can pick up the whole thing.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Cookie.
Yeah, it's a cookie. You decorated
Each with
it.
his own strategy.
Just know it's not a competition. And this will be here tomorrow. And nobody's taking it. It's yours.
He's got gingerbread.
Yeah.
And we make it.
Oh, no, Mama.
I dropped the purple one. And then my purple.
This stuff dries like...
Same.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's rock hard, though. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
This
Merry
was
Christmas.
Raphael's Christmas present.
Yeah.
You got an experience. Bye!
Bye, kids.
Bye. 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 Who are those for? Who are those for? Hope
You
they're
know-
for Abigail.
The elves brought these cookies. And they said that you could eat them tomorrow and the next day.
Yay. Yay. The elves are so good. I love elves and Santa. Santa made it and the elves brought it, so I love both Santa and elves.
That's right. That's a good technique.
Yummy. Is it?
It's a good
Cookies.
good technique. It works, huh?
Hope some elves are named Rafael and Abigail.
Definitely.
Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.